Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be building a catwalk for my cats. Yeah, so let's get the wood down. So it's about 5 more days until I'm able to adopt the 2 kitties. I'm still yet to plan it. I kind of just bought a whole bunch of wood, but I'm trying to make them really enjoy the home, you know what I'm saying? So to start off, I'm making a cat scratcher because I don't really want to buy one since they're kind of expensive. So here I'm using a PVC pipe with some glue and some of this string to wrap it all together, and it turned out pretty good. There we go. I made my very own cat scratcher. Yeah. Here I'll be cutting out platforms that'll be going in the corners of the catwalk. It'll be so they can perch or lay and hang around. I've never really made a bridge before, so this was kind of interesting to just try. Just laid out some wood and took some rope and stapled them together, and it honestly turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. So right now I'm in the middle of just like doing random things at a time, like making a little bridge and just whatever cuts. But I wanted to show you guys the space that catwalk's gonna go. Just pretty much all along this wall. I'm gonna have maybe a few right here. I added some nice soft carpeting to the platforms just so the kittens have a much more comfortable time laying on it. Then I pretty much used some spray adhesive to put them together. To start off the build, I am putting the first platform in. Now, these pieces are held together by some wood glue and then screws at the bottom, so I'm hoping it'll be enough to support the weight of the cats. We'll just have to wait and see. Thank goodness for clamps, otherwise I wouldn't have been able to do this part. Clamps are such lifesavers. Now for the highest part of the catwalk, I decided to put a nice little basket that's gonna have a cushion in it. I also sprinkled in some catnip in there, so hopefully it should attract them to it. Unfortunately, there are many missing parts of the process. I'm not really used to recording myself and working on a project at the same time. In the end, this turned out way better than I expected. I didn't really do too much in terms of planning. I kind of just went along with whatever I thought of, and yeah, it's not bad, and I cannot wait till the cats come in and are able to have fun with it. Super excited for that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video of that's the video. Thanks for guys. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this preview of the cat's play place. And yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.